Hey everyone, and welcome back to MNB English Lessons. Learning idioms is a fantastic way to make your English sound more natural and fluent. Today we are learning three super common and useful idioms. I'll explain them simply and give you some examples. Let's get started. Our first idiom is patch up. When you patch up a relationship, it means you repair or fix a disagreement or a fight. Think of a physical patch you put on a torn piece of cloth. You're repairing the damage to make it whole again. It means to forgive and become friends again after an argument. Simple meaning is to fix a disagreement or make peace after a fight. Here are two ways to use it. 1. Ramesh and Suresh had a big argument over a borrowed book, but they decided to patch up their differences before the weekend. 2. My parents always told us it's important to patch up any fight with your siblings quickly. The second idiom is keep going. Keep going is easy. It means to continue with an activity, a task, or a journey, especially when it's difficult, tiring, or you feel like stopping. It's about not giving up and maintaining your effort or momentum. Simple meaning is to continue, not to stop or quit. Let's look at example sentences. 1. The marathon runner was exhausted at mile 20, but the crowd's cheers gave her the strength to keep going. 2. Learning a new language is tough, but you must keep going with your practice every day to see results. Our final idiom is be pushed to limits. When someone is pushed to their limits, it means they are forced to use all of their mental or physical strength to cope with a very demanding or stressful situation. You are at the maximum of what you can handle. You can't take any more stress or pressure. Simple meaning is to be forced to use all your strength, endurance, or patience because of extreme difficulty or pressure. Now, let's look at some examples. 1. After working 3 jobs to pay for college, I felt like I was being pushed to my limits, but I survived. 2. The coach knew he had to motivate the team without pushing them to their limits and causing an injury. Let's quickly review our 3 idioms. Patch up, to fix a disagreement. Keep going, to continue and not quit. Be pushed to limits, to be forced to use all your strength or endurance. Practice using these in your conversations this week. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more idiom insights. What's your favorite idiom? Let me know in the comments below.